What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Blockchain Daily is back. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with another video for you guys. We're checking out Tonic and the recent news from Tonic, man. I love when we get these Tonic updates. Tonic is solidifying itself as one of those top altcoins, and we're gonna dive into it, guys. Be sure to check out my recent Tonic videos as well. I have every Tonic video I've posted in a playlist for y'all to check out, right? First off, let's take a look at the Tonic price. Retracing back down, nothing to worry about right now, guys. You know how it goes, man. People are gonna be bearish, people are gonna get out of the project. They still got some negative news in the space with the SEC and stuff like that, but guess what? This is the time, this is the moments when you accumulate. In my opinion, this is the time when you buy the fear. You buy the fear, you buy the blood, you sell the greed. You sell when people are super euphoric, when they're happy. That's when you sell, right? And that's how you become a successful trader. We say it all the time. Now is when you accumulate at the lows, you DCA in, and then when the project starts to go crazy, like it did back here, which no one expected, like it did back here, this huge impulse, that's when you start taking profits, right? That's how it goes, man. Right now, Tonic is at 32.1 million market cap, 32.2 million market cap, 79k 24-hour trade, 79k 24-hour trade volume, 30,745 people on the watch list. Let's go through some of the replies right here from the community of CoinMarketCap. Davo, always gotta show love to Davo, man. Davo, stay bullish, stay doing your thing, keep defending your project, man. Keep having conviction on your project, because when you prove the doubters wrong, when the project starts pumping and shooting to the upside, guess what? You're gonna be super happy, and they gonna be FOMOing back into the project. 36,800 wallet holders against 4Bs who constantly post the same over and over again. I think the figures speak for themselves, really. Don't you? From Hayes, Tonic's position has tanked past 4,300. No surprise, holders are getting sick of it. Guys, there's people that are bearish on the project, but they got people like Peter Pranker. Tonic is my favorite drink. Try it with martini and pickles. Top Squires, Tonic, woo! Bongozi, Tonic. Accumulator, Tonic, he's bullish, right? And Davo, oh my god, all these beers do is constantly repeat himself over and over again. Never got anything new to say. I'm so looking forward to the market touring around so we don't have to see all they keep posting. That's all it takes, man. Like, I don't know how you could be bearish on an altcoin, man. Look at all the other altcoins in the space right now, right? You just have to DCA, because eventually their time to shine will come, and then you're gonna be like, why didn't I buy? Why did I sell? What? Come on, guys, we've seen it time and time again, right? So, I'm gonna use these opportunities, all these bearish SEC FUD, all that stuff, overall market crash, I'm gonna use it as opportunities to buy. And then when the bull returns, I'm selling. I'm taking profits. I'm not gonna ride out the bull and then let it crash back down on me. The bear is when you buy, the bull is when you sell. It's that simple. That's all it takes to invest in crypto, stocks, you name it. Short-term trading is more difficult, but long-term trading, it's simple. Keep accumulating, DCA, buy the fear, buy the blood. When everybody's bearish, you buy, and then when everybody's greedy, you sell. That's simple. Don't care about what anybody else got going on, right? I don't care what anybody else got going on. I don't care what nobody's saying. Tonic has proved itself to me already. It's a great altcoin. It's a great altcoin. There's a ton of things happening, and this is one of the reasons I'm bullish. And like I said, why it has proved itself to me. Tectonic Crow, we are thrilled to announce XRP listing it on Tectonic. XRP holders can now supply and lend XRP to earn yield. This marks an important milestone as we continue expanding our supported assets. My apologies for all the background noise and stuff like that, guys. You know how it goes, man. But I gotta get these videos up because this is huge for Tonic, man. Absolutely huge. I gotta record when I have the time to record. But yeah, smart move, Tectonic. Imagine, well, Oscar Ramos, well done Tonic. Oh my god, bullish alert from Zigomatic. Fire emojis, nice. As markets continue their odd movements, Crow and Tonic continue to build. The expansion continues forward. Just looking, let's go. Telling you, man, huge boost for my Tectonic hold. Got so much XRP to supply. Wow, amazing. This is big for Tonic. Tectonic 5, let's freaking go. This is awesome. Shout outs to everybody in the comment section, man. Even the beards, shout outs to y'all. Cause guess what? Y'all gonna get proven wrong. Y'all will get proven wrong. And then you can see the Tonic protocol. For some reason my internet is, you know, taking forever to load, but whenever it's finished loading, we get back to it. Just think about this, guys. Imagine if the XRP community, just a few percentages of the XRP community get a nice bag of Tonic because they could use DeFi. They have DeFi applications through the Tectonic ecosystem, right? And now they have their XRP. They could earn some passive income on their XRP, and they get some Tonic because of that, right? Just a few percentages of that. Y'all know what crazy market caps Tonic could go to. Y'all know what kind of crazy market caps Tonic could go to. From Charter, pointing out the falling wedge for Tonic. You know, after the falling wedge, eventually Tonic will hit a support level, and then we'll see a bounce similar to what happened back here. Falling wedge, bounce, right? So shout out to Charter for the chart. Guys, Tectonic reach a good buying point. Don't forget, caught by surprise if Tectonic starts trending again. And fact checker picking up himself a bag, right? Picking up himself a bag. 1.2 bill Tonic. Great point. Gonna grab me some now. Thank you, fam. Tonic has unpredictable pumps back here. Very unpredictable. One of them happened about a year ago. Tonic pump for 5 days, but the Tonic pumps are not as important as having your tokens vaulted. Harvest your gains. Shout outs to fact checker Crow ambassador at Crow XRP army. Supply and lend XRP through Kronos Tonic. Bullish stuff, guys. Shango, literally coming the best money market out there. That's what it said. It's a DeFi bank. When the bank's collapsing, guess what? Tonic is that DeFi bank. Shout outs to Shango, man. It's literally becoming the money market. You should be an ambassador. My guy, always on point. Soon, Kenny Ricky, shout out to you. Shout outs to all of the Tonic fam. You guys absolutely crushing it as always, man. Super bullish on this project. I got my bag. I'm just gonna chill with my bag. You know, if I get more money up, yeah, I'm a DCA. Yeah, if I get some more money, I'm a DCA. Obviously, but I like to diversify, obviously, guys. But sometimes you see opportunities and you be like, oh, it's coming down. Could it's come. How far will it go? So I could drop, buy some more. Buy some more so we could get another pump like this, right? Because the pumps from Tonic, like fact checker said, are unpredictable, right? So DCA opportunities are presenting themselves. I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna take them, guys, right? But yeah, Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate all the support. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, support the Tonic videos, get this video to 10,000 views, share with all of the rest of the Tonic community. I'd appreciate that. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.